Swaminarayan Akshardham, New Delhi, is a Hindu temple and spiritual cultural campus in New Delhi, India. The temple is close to the border with Noida. The temple displays millennia of traditional and modern Hindu culture, spirituality, and architecture. The temple, at the center of the complex, was built according to the Vastu Shastra and Pancharatra Shastra. The main attraction of the Swaminarayan Akshardham complex is the Akshardham Mandir. It rises 141 foot, 43 meters high, spans 316 foot, 96 meters wide, and extends 356 foot, 109 meters long. It is intricately carved with flora, fauna, dancers, musicians, and deities. The complex features an Abhishek Mandap, Sahaj Anand water show, a thematic garden, and 3 exhibitions, namely Sahaj Anand Darshan, Hall of Values, Neelkanth Darshan, an IMAX film on the early life of Swaminarayan as the teenage yogi, Neelkanth, and Sanskriti Darshan, cultural boat ride. According to Swaminarayan Hinduism, the word Akshardham means the abode of Swaminarayan and believed by followers as a temporal home of God on earth. Inaugurated on 6 November 2005, the mandir is an effort to offer a home to God that honors His glory and divinity, a timeless, beautiful and peaceful home for God here on earth. It is a temporal abode of God and the devotion, values and culture. Architecturally, the mandir is an homage to traditional Indian Hindu architecture. The mandir is made without the use of ferrous metal in construction. The Akshardham Mandir consists of 234 intricately carved pillars, 9 ornate domes, 20 quadrangle spires, and 20,000 statues of India's Hinduism spiritual personalities. Inside the mandir, each worshipfully carved pillar, ceiling and dome shares a story of devotion, offers darshan of a deity, or captures an incident from the life of Bhagwan Swaminarayan. Swaminarayan Mandapam. The central sanctum or Garbhagruh of the mandir forms the Swaminarayan Mandapam. The Swaminarayan Mandapam is a human effort to bring a piece of that divinity to this world and gift it back to God as his earthly home. Paramhansa Mandapam. The 72 feet high Paramhansa Mandapam is capped by a grand, ornately carved dome that has the murtis of the Paramhansa of Bhagwan Swaminarayan. The 4-sided and 8-sided pillars are called swastik stambs in the ancient Shilpa Shastras. Pillars in the Paramhansa Mandapam feature murtis of the 24 different forms of Lord Keshav. Ghanashyam Mandapam. The Ghanashyam Mandapam, resting on 8 pillars, has a 38 feet wide saucer-shaped dome, 32 feet from the ground, a unique architectural feat. Pillars of this mandapam have beautiful carvings depicting the childhood incidents of Bhagwan Swaminarayan. Leela Mandapam. The Leela Mandapam is 72 feet high and has a richly sculpted dome. On its 4-faced pillars are carvings portraying stories from the life of Bhagwan Swaminarayan as a child, a youth, and as the leader of the Swaminarayan faith. Neelkanth Mandapam. The fascinating stories of Neelkanth have been carved in stone on the 8-sided pillars and saucer-shaped dome that is 32 feet high. At the dome center lies the enchanting murti of Neelkanth Varni performing austerities at Muktinath, an ancient pilgrim place in Nepal. Smriti Mandapam. Resting on 8-sided pillars is a 32 feet high saucer-shaped dome, at whose center lies a beautiful stone murti of Bhagwan Swaminarayan seated beneath a sprawling neem tree. The mandapam gets its name from the name Sahajanand Swami, given to Bhagwan Swaminarayan when he was initiated as an ascetic. Bhakta Mandapam. Representing these elevated souls are 148 statues of some of his ardent followers. Every layer of this dome has sculptures representing Muktas residing in Akshardham. Purushottam Mandapam. In the center of the dome of the Purushottam Mandapam, one finds the beautiful marble murti of Purushottam Bhagwan Swaminarayan with his ideal devotee Akshar, Guntitanand Swami. Every layer of this dome has sculptures representing Muktas residing in Akshardham. The Gajendra Peeth, the lower Pradakshina, is a unique, captivating feature of Swaminarayan Akshardham and is an inspiring revival of an ancient architectural tradition. Ancient architectural treatises like Mayamtam, Shilpa Ratnakar, Deeparnam and others prescribe a Gajasthar, plinth of elephants, for palaces and mandir. Akshardham's unique revival of this tradition comes with a new inspirational, artistic innovation. Instead of the sequential replication as seen in old mandir, it portrays inspiring incidents related to elephants, such as how elephants and humans share close relationships, how elephants were blessed by the divine, and stories from the Panchtantra. Below are some samples of these stories as carved in Swaminarayan Akshardham's Gajendra Peeth. The Garbhagruh, home to Bhagwan Swaminarayan. The inner sanctum or Garbhagruh of the Akshardham Mandir is home to Bhagwan Swaminarayan and his divine succession of Gurus Guntitanand Swami, Bhagatji Maharaj, Shastriji Maharaj, Yogiji Maharaj, and Pramukh Swami Maharaj. As manifestations of Akshar Brahma, the Gurus, as manifestations of Akshar Brahma, are God's eternal servants and ideals of saint lines and devotion. They reside in the Garbhagruh eternally offering service and worship to Bhagwan Swaminarayan. Items sanctified by Bhagwan Swaminarayan during his time on earth are also preserved for darshan directly behind the Garbhagruh. Around the Garbhagruh, special altars are devoted to other Hindu deities of Sanatana Dharma, Sri Sitaram, Sri Radha Krishna, Sri Lakshmi Narayan, and Sri Shiv Parvati. At Akshardham's giant screen theatre, visitors become engrossed in Neelkant Yatra, a signature giant screen film. Here, on 76 feet wide and 57 feet tall screen and 15.1 channels sound experience, the audience follows a young Neelkant Varni on an epic trek across the Indian subcontinent. From the icy peaks in the northern Himalayas to the warm beaches of southern India, follow Neelkant as he traverses 12,000 kilometers across the length and breadth of India. Be reminded of the value of sacrifice and service, the wisdom of the eternal soul, and the power of faith. Sahaj Anand Multimedia Water Show. The Sahaj Anand Water Show calls the Yagnapurush Kund its home. A replica of grand traditional stepwells, it measures 300 x 300 and has 2,870 steps and 108 small shrines. The nine-lotus design of the central pool is a replication of a ritual yantra or arrangement used in sacred Hindu ceremonies. At the head of the stepwell is the 27 feet tall bronze murti of Neelkant Varni. He presides over the stepwell, inspiring determination, devotion and courage in all who catch his sight. The Sahaj Anand Water Show is a breathtaking 24-minute presentation which unites a variety of intriguing media to bring to life a story from the Kena Upanishad. Multicolor lasers, video projections, underwater flames, water jets, and surround sound in symphony with lights and live actors produce a captivating and inspiring presentation. International experts contributed their expertise with BAPS volunteers and sadhus to produce this one-of-a-kind presentation. Experience timeless messages of Hindu culture presented in this exhibition. It contains a series of exhibits, each one giving a fresh experience, a new message, and a novel presentation. Transport yourself to a lakefront and witness how Ghanshyam miraculously brings fish back to life and teaches the value of non-violence to fishermen. Walk by Ghanshyam's home in Ayodhya, cross the Himalayas through a hanging bridge and experience the austerities of young Neelkant. Participate in the ceremony when young Neelkant is established as Guru and witness his selfless prayers for the welfare of his devotees. Experience a spiritual discourse of Bhagwan Swaminarayan where he reveals the secret of everlasting happiness. Listen to these animals and understand the importance of vegetarianism.